looking at. So making my delivery this morning. Yeah, roosters in the street in South Phoenix. All right, sure. All right, I gotta back down this street. We're gonna try to do this. Drop this truck off, and then we're gonna go drop this pallet off and then see if I can find something else to do today. It's supposed to rain here probably in the next 4 or 5 hours, so most construction stuff is most likely gonna be done. So anyway, let me turn this camera off and pay attention to what I'm doing. There it is, it's over there, just want to drop it off. We'll put all the chains, all the stuff away. Paperwork sign them off to the next one. This guy's already called me. TQL said they're available at 8. The guy said, nah man, we're ready at 6. Thanks TQL. So anyway, we'll knock this out real quick, see what else we'll find on load board. Because my local contact's got nothing happening today, so it kind of sucks. But if anything else happens, hey, cool. If not, we'll go home, clean up the truck a little bit, maybe play some Call of Duty. Alright, here I am out here on this job site. I haven't been to this one, but Thunderbird Mountain, I run those every now and then. Pretty good little trail. But anyway, this guy's gonna come over with his forklift. We're gonna get this thing off of here, and then I'm gonna find out what else I'm doing for the day. Because right now, nothing. Computer unstrapped. Making that drop, and buddy Chris just called me. There's TQL calling me. Let me deny. Ha! Suck it. All right, so buddy Chris called and said, hey, I got a Chandler to Mesa. Are you interested? You available? Can you do it? Hell yeah, brother. So made that quick drop. We are done with TQL for the day and their nonsense, and we are on the way to Chandler. Once this idiot gets out of the way, just sitting at a green light, looking at their phone as I sit here and talk to my GoPro. You know. Yeah. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna get all this stuff. I'm gonna put that one in the front, middle, back. And I guess I get a bucket. Can't handle the bucket. Anyway, and then this yard's kind of small, so I'll have to back out, flip her around, and we'll get on out. So it should be no big deal. I've been here before, so I actually hauled these exact things for a different broker who I'm not real fond of. Yeah, so anyway, cool. We'll get this loaded and get on out. All right, so here we go. Just waiting on a bill of lading, and then I gotta call the contact and find out where am I going, because the address that they gave me is not actually the address. So get this thing turned around and GTFO. All right, good Friday morning. We are headed to Yuma today. Look at this. That's what I love about being first up, first in. Right? You don't see anybody else here, right? Reason for that. Got six bundles of pipe, some plastic pipe, some metal pipe. I don't know why they do it like that, but whatever. They do it that way. Pallet of whatever. And then this stuff's kind of heavy. Like, I don't know. It's plastic, but it's heavy. So it's really dense plastic. But whatever. Going to Yuma. It's all going to the same spot. I got 3 boxes in the bed, and they got left outside in the rain. It rained yesterday a lot, like a lot. So whatever, no big deal. Let's hit the road. All right, here we are Saturday morning. You know the deal, that's what we're doing. Hell yeah. So my buddy Frank over here is gonna get this loaded up. Big old wide girl. Loading inside because it was raining. So, I mean, these are outdoor panels anyways, outside of a building. So anyway, we'll get this put on there. And let's go get this thing delivered and get it over with. Go park for the day. I gotta get ready for vacation. Coming soon. All right, here we are, loaded up, ready to go. 3 oversized. We got a bunch of road closures. Should be interesting today. But I get 1 load, and then we're going home. That's it. So, hey, better making no money on a Saturday, right? All right, here we are on the job site, or right outside the job site. Typically we come in way over there, come around, but you hear some banging. It's right there. They're taking the crane down. So I kind of want to stay here all day and watch. I've never seen that happen. Looks kind of fun. But anyway, I'm gonna get all this stuff unstrapped, get this ready. I'm gonna have to pull forward right in here, and then I'm gonna back in. They tried to get 2 of us in there, but yeah, that ain't happening. You see the one truck over there getting offloaded right now. He's gonna have to back up right here and then pull out. Well, I'm just gonna pull in and back up. I'll be the smart guy today. Or maybe I'm the dumb guy, I don't know, we'll see.